Huh? Oh, true. Then he should have just fucking. He should have just came to, like, New York when everyone told him, or, like, New Jersey, and hung out with us. Bro, he could bring the dogs, bro. Dogs are. They have legs, they can move. Live trading on YouTube. Dude, stop saying the fucking T word. Stop, bro. Like, actually. Oh my god, no trigger warning or anything, bro's just dropping it, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Nate, just please never again in your life say the T word. Oh my god, dude, my head's starting to hurt. 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 Alright, so this isn't fair. It's about to stop out Spiffy without even filling me. Yeah, well, I was saying it as a joke. I wanted to get filled before it happened. Spiffy, are you still in? Alright, guys, time to look for shorts. I'm removing my long limit. I'll still keep that 367.75 short up there. Oh my god, it just cracked those, hit the OT and just bounced. Or it just rejected, but I don't think it's going to be sustainable. Yo, yesterday's market, kind of wild. I didn't really trade too good yesterday, if I'm being honest. Damn, you must have taken a lot of payouts this month, huh? Okay, dude, that was fucked. I don't know why I said that. What's up? What's up, YouTube chat? I'm doing good, guys. You thought you blew an account? You're in a trade and you didn't even let us... You didn't even LMK? Oh. Oh. Someone's off an espresso? No, no one's off an espresso. I'm just... I'm off a perky. Charlie Kirky. Why? I don't gotta pay tax if I'm in the military, right, bro? Oh. I just popped an 80. Yo, guys, cheat code. Get the Apple Wallet that goes on the back of your phone. It's not that aesthetic, but dude, it makes life so much easier. How do you add that one solid candle on the right of your thing? So, I would tell you, but the person who made it killed himself, and he told me he was the last. I was the last person who got access to this indicator. Okay. It's the PO3 indicator. Alright, we're reaching that 1 minute BPR. We have a little setup we could take here. At 299.75, I might take a stab at it. With a 10-point stop, I'm not gonna try too hard. It's the 0.25 of this 1 minute BPR. Let's see if we get filled. Dump. $299.50. It's not that good. It's not that good of a setup. It would be better if it was inside of the both fair value gaps, but it's not. It's just on the one candle that created the BPR. I was talking to the Apex business development team over lunch the other day, and they were hold on. Yeah. I was like, they were like, what do you guys think people in the industry want the most? And I was like, from what I've heard, people want daily payouts. And then they were like, so here's the issue with that. They're like, well, I don't know why why people would want daily payouts, because all it does is all they want to do is full port the account. Hold on, it's edging my fill. All they want to do is full port the account and then take a payout the same day. They're like, there's no way to get like a big payout like that. So Apex is pretty much designed for you to get multi 5-figure payouts, right? That's the way it's designed. They're like, if it was daily payouts, people would be blowing accounts left and right. They're like, obviously we could do it. They're like, but it's very predatory, and that's why we don't even want to do it. And I was like thinking about it. I was like, yeah, because whenever me or my friends trade TPT, what ends up happening is that all we do is just like try to make as much money in the first day as possible, and then that's it. And then just try getting a fat payout that day, you know? Exactly. And then they were talking about, they're like, all right, so this is some insider news. No one in here should be telling anyone in the YouTube stream. Don't say this either. But no, it's insider news. I'm not supposed to say it, but I don't think I'll get in too much trouble if I say it. They're bringing straight to funded accounts like at the start of next year. 20 straight to funded accounts. 20. All right, guys, our trade's up pretty nice here. I'm going to move stop to that candle's high. So we only have a 10 tick stop loss. We're up 2R already. So basically break even stop. It's 7 ticks actually. It's not even 8 ticks. So they're starting the straight to funded, and they're starting a competitor to like top step sort of accounts. So like they'll be having what's it called? Like no consistent. They'll have consistency evals, but no consistency payouts. Those are gonna take a little bit, but those accounts should be coming next year, from what I've heard. Yeah, and then they were like, "Yo, like we're the best firm, like price wise and everything wise," and I was like, I'm like, "Oh, Tradeify dropped. Oh, guys, we're up 100 ticks." I'm like, "Oh, Tradeify dropped those what's it called, the select plans," and he's like, yeah, but you would have to get 5 select plans, you'd have to pay X amount, and you could get 20 50k apexes and make 40k, versus over there you only make like 5 to 10k. And then I was like, oh shit, like the way these guys think is like always in terms of like, all right guys, we just top tick like a motherfucker, I'm gonna take profit here. I don't know why it's still doing the fucking one. I need one click trading enabled. Where is that? Boom. I don't know why I took it off. Nice little top tick. Who caught that? Yeah. Great sell as well. Banger trade right there to start the day. But yeah, what I'm saying is like, dollar for dollar, there's no firm better than Apex. And like, people might just say it because I'm sponsored by them, but like, genuinely, sincerely, no one gives a fuck about their traders as much as Apex does, because anytime like someone gets banned or whatever, or like has like an issue with Apex, and it's in my community, obviously in the Discord or whatever, like, bro, I've probably helped like 5 people get unbanned at this point. Dude, their support sucks. Yeah, I think the only other, honestly, the only other firm that competes with Apex is probably TPT. I think everyone's like just done with Top Step after like here. Let me show you guys something crazy about Top Step. If you look at how many outages they've had over the past 2 months, 1 out of every 4 days they were down. I know someone who had a legit 17K trading day across 5 accounts the other day, and they literally removed all of it. Like, they removed all his profits. No, that was Alpha. That wasn't Top Step. Yeah. Top Step X is down again. Yep. Apex just auto-liquidated me even though I wasn't in drawdown. That was your trailing, probably. That's the only bad thing about Apex is the trailing. But it's such an easy fix. Full port your fucking evals, pass it. Then all you have to do is make 2,600 and your trailing goes away. It's really not that hard. Yeah, Brian, I already took profits. Because I was talking, I should honestly stayed in. I will take profit at that 1 minute fair value gap. Is that a live account? Yeah, this is a live account. I heard people say Apex denies payouts. So this is the thing, right? A lot of people say that because they're actually like diagnosed with Down syndrome. So the reason they deny payouts is because you're allowed to request payouts even if you don't meet the consistency, even if you don't have the right amount of trading days. Like, you could still request a payout if you don't make all their rules. Every other firm, they don't let you request until you meet all the requirements. So, for example, my Alpha account, Alpha Zero account that I had 32K in profits on, I couldn't request a payout because my consistency was bad. But if it was Apex, I would have been able to request my consistency. Then I would have been able to request my payout. They would have denied me for consistency, but then reset my consistency. So all I had to do was trade 8 extra days and make it all back, and I would have gotten the full payout. But since Alpha doesn't let you do that, you can't reset your consistency. But that's what Apex lets you do. So that's what the benefit of Apex denying payouts is. It's just people don't follow the rules and then they get butthurt. Take it easy, Risk. You could fix your consistency with Alpha before requesting about it. You just have to go to the consistency and make sure you're under the 40% mark. My consistency was at 160%. I had a $13,000 day on an Alpha Zero account. So there was no fixing that. I had 30 plus trading days on it as well. 30 plus winning trading days. It took me 16 days to blow the account so I could get another advanced account. They removed profit from my 5x of A's 1 day before 5-fig top step payout. Bro, sway, bro. Top step, honestly, like, if you're going to want to trade a account like Top Step, you might as well just trade alpha. Top Step just thinks they have, like, this crazy monopoly and, like, this crazy community that they just don't care about their traders anymore. Like, all yesterday, all that motherfucker cared about. All right, I'm going to take longs here. 40 tick stop loss as per usual. Low-key, I could have tried 14.5 as well. That might have been better. But I'm going to go ahead over here. Alright, we're up 1-1 right now. Now we're red. I'm going to add that long at 14.5 as well. 10-point stop loss. Just in case this one doesn't work out. And then I want to target the highs if we can get there. Five traded fly select on the 5 day. I like that payout structure. Is alpha similar? Alpha's more similar. So alpha's similar to Top Step, where they have a consistency rule on the evals, but then they don't have one on the advanced accounts on the actual PAs. So what you could do is it's literally Top Step, but the max payout is 15K, but the catch is you could only withdraw 50% of your balance. I might get chuzzed twice here, chat. I got chuzzed twice. Fuck, dude. My short was the top tick. I'm a bitch. I am what they refer to as a bitch. I got scared out of it. Alright, I'm still green on the day. Let me log in. Hold on. MP, fix your fucking servers. Oh, fire, Hunter. Polo took out the shorts just now. Fire. Yeah. Exactly, Sway. But Alpha's a little bit more expensive, but you get 25% off using code OBI. But overall, I think the best accounts for scalability are Apex. I think like actual full-time traders are made from Apex. Yeah, if we get some sort of retracement, I'm going to look back to short because that no wick on the 5-minute news candle is kind of hot. For a 1-day mean? I don't know what you mean by that. Gonna buy 6 accounts right now using code OBI GOAT. I have no idea what that means. How you doing, Unc? I'm doing all right. Oh, this guy was in the TikTok stream yesterday. Fire. Bro, I had top tick of doom, bro. Bro, my Instagram post is blowing up. I'm at 4,100 likes on it. Sick. Bottom tick, please. I mean, the draw is data low. If we get a retrace, that would be nice. What's that indicator you have? It's called the PO3 indicator. It just shows you the 4-hour candle. Can we just get an easy trade here and then like just take the OT of this 5-minute leg and top tick? Is that too much to ask for? That's what I'm saying, bro. Can we pull a look bow? My name is Elon Ma. Can you show your fib settings? You can just copy them. It's 0.78, 0.66, 0.62, 0.5, 0, and 1. Alright, we're just dumping. Damn, bro. 2 points of drawdown, we would have been up 100 points. I'm fucking stupid. Yeah, I closed way too soon. AMP declined your application for a live account? I have no idea. A lot of people get denied from AMP. I don't know why. Re-entered 78. What did you take off 78? I'm gonna remove my higher limit. I don't know why I have that up there in the first place. Oh. Let me actually do that. Wait. You guys want to play Fortnite? Yeah, download it, Wob. Dude, there used to be a time where I would call up Wob at like 2 a.m. and make him play with me. I never said that. I would say it as a joke, dude. That was dodgy. It might be. Dodgy's like so gay when it comes to shit like that. Like bro sat there and started explaining IFVGs to Peter Tuckman. And I was just cringing so hard. I'm like, Dodgy, please shut up, bro. He asked me what my strategy was. I was like, I can't tell you. Dude, we had to like stop like he would ask like about our strategies and stuff and just like debunk. I'm like, bro, I believe in my strategy so much. I do not need you to like talk shit about it. Dude. No, he was just like, oh, like everyone else is just like trying to talk to him, and I just wasn't talking to him at all, cause honest. And then he was like, oh, like the quiet one. He's like, he's hiding something from me, and I'm like, bro, you have no idea. And the only time I spoke up was when it was like he was talking about some other trader that I know was like LARPing and not a real trader. I just started calling him out. Stock market wolf. Cause bro, he's like big into the social media game now, cause he has like that academy. But I think the market makers that trade there, I don't think they would be profitable if they didn't have the information they have. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, what did she say? Bro, dude. Bro, what the fuck, bro? I give you every other firm, bro, and you're gonna fucking have an... oh my god, Nate. Dude, dude, classic Jew things, bro. I gave you every other firm, and then you're like... what the fuck, Nate? Bro, dude, that's it. I'm putting my Tradeify, I'm putting my TPT, I'm putting my fucking Lucid. Like, bro, I literally tell him, I'm like, yo, you guys can have every other firm. Let me have my Apex. This guy's like, dude, I'm telling Bella, I'm hitting up Bella right now, bro. No, bro, I'll be so fucking annoyed, bro. I'm not even joking. I'll actually be pissed. 5 firms aren't enough for you, bro? This is the greed the fucking Bible talked about. No, you don't have Apex, bro. You're not about to have Apex after I finish up this call I'm fucking trying to put through right now. Alright, I'm gonna short 62 here. Alright. Bro, I hate the market fills nowadays. Like, they literally fill, like, 3 points away. And I'm just like, what the flip is going on? What the fleeb? Dude, AMP as well. Yeah, and it won't fill at the price that you hit it at. It like, what trade copier do you use? Dude, that happened to me on my Tradeify. Bro, now this shit wants to rip. What the flip is going on? Wow. I would not have expected that. I'm not really seeing any other setup to take here anyways. What are these fucking 15-minute candles, brother? Holy shit! What the fuck? Yo, what the hell? What the helly? What the hell? What the helly? Bro, what's the protocol if this happens? So we should short here. Theoretically, we should short here. Alright, fuck it. Why did I do that? I'm literally throwing fucking money away taking this shit right now. Fuck, bro. It would have been so funny if it actually hit. That was so dumb. That was so dumb. I'm on micro, so that's my excuse, but like that's so dumb for me to do that. $304.50. What's there? $304, bro. What are you doing at $304.50? Charlie Turkey. Let's see. It might go to 335 and reject. Sweep that high. Actually, no. Yeah, dude, SMT's bullshit. It's bullshitting. 369. Well, yeah. What the hell? Who's that? Bro, Nate named the freedom Brick, bro. What the fuck? Brick trading. You should name it oven trading, like brick oven. Oh. Yeah. I got a lot. I got about like 2 inches. Why? You guys take it bigger than 2 inches? That's a lot, bro. 2 inches is a lot. Well, I was like, oh no, that's not big at all. I take way bigger than 2 inches. Fucking faggot. Huh? Huh? Ban him. Ban him. No, I removed it. Ban him. Oh, then don't ban him. Someone in my chat said Wob got a little PP. Bro, no, he doesn't. I've seen it. Hey, I am long on BTC is a good decision. Bro, I don't know. I don't trade Bitcoin. I stay away from crypto. Alright, if 369 bangs, bro, and we catch a massive short down to the lows, that'd be such a fire trade. That'd be 1,000 ticks. What? Bro, I did not think it was going to 20 million. Bro, what? Bro. Oh my god, dude. Alright, film me, bro, and then just dump. Alright, we're filmed. And here's the massive dump. Oh. No, here's the massive dump. Oh! Oh! Yo! I called it! Yo, someone clipped that. That was kind of sick. What the fuck? What the fuck was that, bro? Yo, back to break even. Here's the massive dump. Bro, what the fuck was that? That was insane. No, it was 90 ticks. Which is 25 points. Like, that was kind of sick. That was actually fucking cool. Here's the dope. Boom! I'm gonna watch that clip back on the stream. I know. Yeah. That was kind of sick. Oh fuck, we're right on the train now. Oh my god, bro. Honestly, bro, no. No, it actually stops me, bro. Oh, that was some bullshit. Wow, wow, wow. Weird ass day, bro. It looks like it's a buy and hold all the way to fucking previous day high type of day. Alright, stream, I'm hopping off.